Okay, let's start. Now tell me whether you can see or not.
আর কিছু লেখা দেখি না, খালি 4-5টা ছক দেখতেছি।
Hmm. Now, rule 5. Rule 5. Now, can you see rule 5?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, sentence expressing concession.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Arindam, what do you understand by sentences expressing concession? Tell me in Bengali. Arindam. বাংলায় আমরা সত্ত্বেও কথাটা জানি, সত্ত্বেও এটা সত্ত্বেও ওটা হলো বা এটা সত্ত্বেও ওটা হয়, ওটা ইংলিশে কি? সেন্টেন্সেস এক্সপ্রেসিং কনসেশন। এখন আমরা লেট আস সি how we write these sentences in simple structure. We use, as you all know, in spite of, we can use despite, notwithstanding, for all, or with all in place of in spite of. These are all followed by noun or noun phrase or verb ing phrase. We can change this simple structure into a complex one using all these ways. Though although is very common to us, but we can use all these as well. Though, although, even though, even if, while, much as, admitting that, granted that, supposing that. They are all synonymous with one another. They are all synonymous with one another. Even we can use however plus adjective or adverb, this structure also, to make this simple structure a complex one. Even we also use adjective plus as this structure to make it a complex one. There are also other two ways, no matter how or what or whatever, we can also use these structures also to make this simple sentence a complex one. Let us how we make it compound. We make it compound. We can make it compound in all these 5 ways. Number A, we can use but. Number B, we can use ... indeed, comma but. We can use comma nevertheless, nonetheless, yet or still. We can use ... comma ... all the same. All the same means ta সত্ত্বেও in Bengali. Even in E, at the same time, also means ta সত্ত্বেও in Bengali. Now, there are 5 ways that we can easily use to make a simple or complex sentence to make it a compound one. Take a screenshot of it. If you are done with taking the screenshot, let me know.
Done, sir.
Everyone is done with taking the screenshot. Okay. Now let's move on to our next slide. Let's see an example. Let's see the simple sentence first. In spite of, or despite, or notwithstanding, or for all, or with all her blackness, she is beautiful. You can see we can use all these phrases or words to write a simple sentence in this structure. All mean the same. Now, let us see how we can make this simple sentence a complex one. Let us first use though or although or even though or even if or while or much as or admitting that ... supposing that she is black, comma, she is beautiful. Let us see now how we can change it to a complex one by using however plus adjective or adverb. Here black is an adjective. However black she may be. In this structure we have to import may before be verb. However black she may be, she is beautiful. Number C, we will use adjective plus as to make this complex. Black as, black is our adjective, black is followed by as, then subject plus linking verb. Black as she is beautiful. Number D, we will use no matter how. No matter how black she is beautiful. Even we can use whatever to make it a complex sentence. Whatever blackness she may have, she is beautiful. Here we also use may. We find may in two structures. One is with however and the other is with whatever. Now let us see how we can make it compound. First one, she is black but beautiful. She is common to both clauses, so we can leave she is in our second clause out. We can write she is black but she is beautiful, but it is better to write she is black and but beautiful. Now in B we can see we have used indeed, comma, but. She is black indeed, but she is beautiful. In C we have used comma, nevertheless, nonetheless, yet, or still. She is black, nevertheless, nonetheless, yet, still she is beautiful. In D, we have used all the same. She is black, comma, she is beautiful, all the same. In E, we have used at semicolon and at the same time. She is black, she is black at the same time, she is beautiful. Time should be in the same color as at the same. I have made a mistake. Now take a screenshot of this slide. Are you finished with taking the screenshot? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, on this rule, you have a homework. I have given you a simple sentence. In spite of or despite or notwithstanding or for all or with all his poverty, he is honest. Make it complex and compound in as many ways as possible. Copy this sentence in your khata because I want you to do some writing task now. Copy this sentence in your khata. Have you finished copying this sentence in your khata?
No, sir.
Then copy it as soon as possible. Are you done with copying?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
before now make it homework is homework. Now do a classwork. Make it simple with all. This with all. Make it simple with all.
तो
Using
कौन सेंटेंस तक है?
the sentence you have written for homework. This sentence. This one, this one. In spite of, despite, notwithstanding, for all, with all. Oh, oh, sorry. This is a simple sentence. Oh, make it complex. Make it complex using C. Using C. Use structure C. Use this structure and make it complex. Use this structure and make it complex. Use this structure and make it complex. Wasi, have you something to tell?
কি করতে বলেন আবার একটু বললে ভালো হয়। হ্যালো।
Look at this sentence. In spite of, despite, notwithstanding, for all, with all his poverty, he is honest. Make this sentence complex. Make this sentence complex using this structure, adjective plus as. Adjective plus as. Use this structure, not this, not this, not this, not this. This one, black as she is beautiful. Using this structure, make it complex.
The complex done.
Done. Pratik,
Yes, sir.
tell me the answer.
The poor as he is honest.
Good. Poor as he is. Poor
He is
as
honest.
he is, comma, he is honest.
He is honest. Yes,
Good.
sir.
You have got the correct answer. Thank you. Now make it now make it compound. Now make it compound using structure E. She is black, at the same time she is beautiful. Use this structure to make it compound. It's a semicolon. It's not comma, it's not full stop, it's a semicolon. Who can tell me the answer first?
Sir, he is poor at the same time he is honest.
He is poor, at the same time
Same time he is honest.
he is honest. Good, you got the correct answer. Now we have some writing part. Is this application is in your syllabus? First take a screenshot of it. First take a screenshot. Are you finished with taking the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Then just go through the application. If you find any sentence or any
Sir, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
if you find any word or any sentence difficult, you can ask me.
এখন খাইলে কিন্তু আমার পরে খাবো না আমি। চিড়ে কেন? চাইনিজ স্যুপ নাই?
শপিং
আমার তো মিউট করাই ছিল।
Have you gone through the application? Do you find any word or any sentence structure difficult to understand?
স্যার
Tell me.
অ্যারিসেস মানে কি স্যার? ওই যে ARISES
Arise.
ঠিক আছে।
হ্যাঁ, arise উদ্ভব হওয়া। There arises a problem. এখানেই সমস্যার উদ্ভব হয়। Regarding my accommodation, আমার থাকার জায়গা নিয়ে।
Sir, in the vicinity of the school মানে কি?
In the vicinity of the school মানে স্কুলের আশপাশে বা স্কুলের কাছাকাছি। স্কুলের আশপাশে বা স্কুলের কাছাকাছি। In
জি,
the
স্যার।
vicinity of the school. Are we done with the application?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
So, sir,
hmm,
what is the meaning of allocating in the previous application?
what?
Is the meaning of allocating? In the first para and last sentence, it appears
Allot.
allocating. Yes, sir.
বরাদ্দ করা।
স্যার ইন দ্য ভিসিনিটি আরেকবার একটু বললে ভালো হয়।
In the vicinity of the school. In the vicinity of হচ্ছে আশপাশে, আশেপাশে বা কাছাকাছি। স্কুলের আশেপাশে বা কাছাকাছি। আর অ্যালট মানে হচ্ছে বরাদ্দ দেওয়া। আমাকে একটি আসন বরাদ্দ দিবেন। Now take a screenshot of this application.
স্যার আমি জুমে যদি মিউট করি তাও আমার সাউন্ড আছে।
তাই?
ইয়েস স্যার, বুঝলাম না।
তোমার চেয়ে আমি আরো কম বুঝি।
এখন ঠিক আছে, এখন আসে না, মিউট থাক।
Are you done with taking the screenshot? Now go through the
Yes, sir.
application and let me know if there is any word difficult to understand or any sentence structure that you find difficult to realize.
ফিল দাই স্নেক মানে কি স্যার?
আবার বলো।
ওই যে স্যার FILTHY
Filthy, filthy হচ্ছে নোংরা,
ফিলদি।
নোংরা।
স্যার অ্যালিভিয়েট মানে কি একদম লাস্ট লাইনে স্যার?
Alleviate মানে
Alleviate.
উপশম করা বা দূর করা। Remove এর
জি, স্যার।
synonym।
কমানো না?
আবার বলো, কে বলছো? Repeat.
স্যার
প্রতীক।
elevate মানে কমানো না?
Alleviate means remove, eradicate, দূর করা বা উপশম করা বা lessen, কমিয়ে দেওয়া।
জি স্যার।
হ্যাঁ স্যার ওটাই বলতেছিলাম, কমানো।
হুম।
স্যার
Hands
যে
of
দিস কজেস মাস স্ট্রেইন মানে কি স্যার?
strain মানে হচ্ছে হলো গিয়ে তোমার চাপ বা কোনো একটা অন্যভাবে বলে প্রেসার, আমাদের উপরে যে প্রেসার তৈরি হয় না, ওই চাপ আর কি।
স্যার দ্য ব্রিজ অফ ডিসিপ্লিন।
ব্রিচ অফ ডিসিপ্লিন মানে শৃঙ্খলা ভঙ্গ।
ওকে স্যার।
Swapnil, what do you understand by the harms of anti-social elements?
স্যার ওই যে মানে অসামাজিক কাজের ভয়েস। অসামাজিক।
সমাজ বিরোধীদের আখড়া।
ওকে স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, এই স্টলস গুলো সমাজ বিরোধীদের আখড়া। আচ্ছা। হার্ডশিপ মানে কষ্ট। হার্ডশিপ মানে
জি স্যার।
কষ্ট। Any other word or sentence? Okay. I have another class. Then let us end our class today. So I am ending the class today.
ওকে স্যার।
Thank you.
Okay, sir.